In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use glide templates to quickly create your own custom app. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Glide website. Once you're there, click on the Login button to access your account. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Glide dashboard. From your dashboard, click on the New App option. This will bring you to a page where you can browse through a wide variety of pre-built templates. Take your time to explore these options and choose a template that closely matches your specific use case or the functionality you're looking for. Once you've found the perfect fit, simply click Create App. Glide will then automatically generate a brand new app tailored to the template you've selected. You'll need to wait a moment for the app editor to load. Once your new app opens up, it's a great idea to take a few minutes to explore and understand how the template is structured. You'll see navigation tabs on the left-hand side. Click through each of these screens to get a feel for how the app is organized. Next, review the app's preview to check out the layout, its existing features, and the sample data that comes with it. This will help you see how the template organizes information. Now, let's dive into the data. Open the Data section to review the sample tables that are included with the template. Pay attention to how this data is connected to the different screens and components within your app. Remember, you can replace this sample data with your own information later on. With a screen selected from the navigation menu, you'll notice a right sidebar. Here, you can choose from various layout styles for your components. You'll find options like card, list, table, data grid, checklist, calendar, and Kanban. Experiment by switching between these layouts to see how your data can be displayed in different ways. Select the layout that best suits your workflow. For instance, a CRM might work well with a list or cards layout, while task management is often best suited for Kanban or checklist views, and scheduling naturally fits a calendar. Reporting can be effective in a table or data grid. You can also change the source table for a component or screen. By selecting a different table from your data source options, you can display entirely new sets of information without needing to rebuild the entire screen from scratch. Feel free to remove any screens you don't need and add new ones if necessary to customize the app further. The next important step is to replace the sample records with your own data. Go through any charts, collections, forms, and buttons, and ensure they are correctly connected to the appropriate tables. Then, test your app thoroughly by using the preview mode, checking its functionality on both mobile and desktop devices. Remove any unused sections or leftover sample data to keep your app clean and focused on your intended use case. Double-check all your content and make any final adjustments needed. When you're happy with your customized app, click Publish in the top right corner. You can then copy your app link and share it with your team, clients, or users. Congratulations! You've successfully customized a Glide template and turned it into your own powerful app. Thanks for watching. If you found this Glide tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step app building guides. See you in the next video.